The price of one Beldex BDX coin right now is 0.03 for $5. It's gone up by 0.95% in the past 24 hours. The price of BDX ended above the opening price half of the days. One BDX has ever been worth as much as 0.140 for dollars, which was 2 years and 6 months ago. The price is now minus 75.44% less than that all-time high. Out of 17 technical indicators, 3 say to buy and 10 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term prediction mood is bearish. The first big rising resistance for BDX is at 0.03 for $9. It needs to close above that level to keep going up, and $0.0115 is the bottom support. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.0115. If it can close above 0.03 for $9, on the other hand, it can go up to the next level of support at 0.0 for $28. The Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the last 14 days is currently at 56.41, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the weekly chart is at 60.89, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Exponential moving averages show a bearish sign on the daily chart, but the price of Beldex is below the exponential moving averages for 20, 50, 100, and 200 days. It's only above the 10-week EMA. In the past, the price of BDX on the last day of May was above the starting price once, and below the price at the beginning of the month 5 times. For the past 6 years, June has been the best month for Beldex. 3 times as much BDX was worth at the end of June as it was at the beginning of the month. 5 times out of 6, the price at the end of April was less than the starting price. April is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. A new all-time high, a TH, was reached in November 2019, and the price of Beldex dropped to its lowest point, at 0.0403 dollars just 117 days later. This was the first of 2 bull runs that Beldex had. Since November 2019, it took about a year to reach a new TH. There have been 1,187 days since the last bull run in February 2021. It took 450 days for BDX to hit a new all-time high the last time. Our Beldex price estimate says that the price of BDX could reach $0.0377 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $0.0700 in 2025 and $0.1389 in 2030. Even more, the prediction for 2040 is 0.440 for dollars. This is based on all past highs and lower time frame predictions. We think that the price of Beldex will be $0.0700 in 2025. That is the highest price we think BDX will go to, and the lowest price we think it will go to is $0.0510.